Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Tineco Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 2-in-1. It is an handheld stick vacuum, lightweight 300-watt brushless, motor power suction for hard floor, carpet, pet hair, etc. And it's the vacuum cleaner A10 Dash. Powerful 300-watt motor. The A10 Dash cordless vacuum cleaner. High performance and high quality 300-watt brushless motor provides powerful suction for deep through multi-surface cleaning. Quickly pick up debris and dust, crumbs and pet hairs. And it's lightweight and portable. The main body only weight 1.3 kilogram. It's easily converted to a handheld vacuum with versatile attachment to reach corners, stairs and crevices. And 25 minutes runtime and ultra-quiet. The stick vacuum built-in 200 mAh quality and safety rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing up to 25 minutes of uninterrupted runtime for quick cleaning. 70 decibel ultra-quiet operation sound avoids annoying noise, friendly to our baby and pets. And we have a 4-stage HEPA filtration. It removes 99.97% of allergens to 0.3 microns. Oh, look in small particles without leakage and expels non-allergen refresh air. And we have multiple attachments. The LED multitasker power brush, 2-in-1 dust brush, crevice tool, adapter and storage wall mount. Everything is on board. What we are going to need if we are going to like a nice and good cleaned area at home. 1.3 kilogram lightweight, 300 watt brushless motor, 25 minutes of runtime. This is the Tineco A10 Dash cordless vacuum cleaner with powerful suction. Oh yeah, for dust, hairs and dirt, etc. That is deeper and easier cleaning. 300 watt brushless motor, 17 kilopascal suction in max. High performance brushless engine provide ultra quiet. It provides powerful 17 kilopascal suction in maximum mode and 2 times the suction power of an ordinary cordless vacuum with an DC motor. And long-lasting battery delivers up to 25 minutes of uninterrupted runtime for a quick and awesome cleaning. Continuous power mode is perfect for the whole house cleaning. Deep, more surfaces, more dirt, more hairs. Deep cleaning is enhanced in this vacuum cleaner. Specialized brush provides 2.5 times power and 80% more efficient than ordinary cordless vacuum cleaners out there. It's ideal for hard floors, carpet, tiles, wooden boards, cars and other surfaces. And clean peacefully with less disturbance to family and pets. The brushless motor reduces the noise to 70 decibel. This is not so loud, really. You can hear this in the end of that video. And with a flexible rotation brush head, which helps for all angles cleaning, definitely makes hoovering an easier job at home. Ooh. And we have an LED headlight application. Oh, this is awesome. It helps with visibility for dust under furniture or in hard-to-reach corners. Keep picking debris for instant cleaning. And the awesome lightweight main body, 2.87 pound, is easy to maneuver for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Easily converts to a handheld to clean furniture, stairs, cars, nooks and more. and one-touch empty dustbin. Cleaning the dustbin is as easy as touching a button. No complicated removing of bins or filters necessary. Only push the button and the cover will get open and the dust and the dirt will come out, immediately. And you have a wall-mounted storage and an awesome dock. Neatly store the unit and 2 accessories in the convenient storage dock. Keep your home tidy and organized. And this comes all with that awesome vacuum cleaner by Tineco. On the vacuum cleaner main operation center, you have the maximum mode. This will double your engine power. Then you have the dust empty release button. This is on the front side of that device and it's to empty your dust compartment. Then you have the dustbin with a maximum range. And if this maximum range is reached, you have to clean it. And you have a trigger lock. The trigger lock is awesome to lock the trigger so it will continuously run. Then you have a trigger for short engine on and engine off switching. And you have a battery indicator light. This will give you information about the battery. You have a HEPA release button to release the HEPA filter on the back side of the device, and a handle, and of course you have the built-in battery. It's really awesome, the accessories. You have an LED multitasker power brush. This is ideal for both hard floors and carpets. It's very effective for dislodging dirt embedded in the carpet. And the 2-1 dusting brush. This switch between a wide and a soft brush by pressing the release button. The soft brush is most effective on hard surfaces furniture, while the wide brush is effectively for upholstered furniture, curtains, etc. And you have a crevice tool for corners, nooks, and other hard-to-reach places, like spiders, around a car seat, or a picture frame, or a cupboard, etc. And of course, dinosaurs. Then you have the wall-mounted dock. It's really easy to attach. You only have to drill 3 screws into the wall through the wall-mounted dock. Job's done. This is neatly stored the appliances and accessories in the convenient storage dock. And the device is really easy to assemble. Only insert the tube. If you like to remove the tube again, press the release button to remove the tube. And then you have the tube installed. You can insert the accessories. For example, the brush. Easy, really easy. And then, of course, you can make a handheld cleaner out of it if you do not insert the tube. But it's comfortable in daily use to use the tube for all day cleaning at home. Then it's really easy to get started. Before the first use, charge the appliance for 3 up to 4 hours in an area where the ambient temperature is between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Select an accessory and attach it to the appliance before use. Then pull the trigger to activate the suction. Pull the trigger lock to hold the trigger to continuous power mode. And if you need more and more power, it's no problem. The Tineco A10 Dash will help you out with that. Press the max button to switch between the regular mode and the maximum mode. Then you will have the maximum power out of the brushless engine. After you your job is done at home, you have to empty the dustbin, of course. For that, press the release button on the side of the dustbin to empty the contents. After this, close and click the dustbin flap back into place. And of course, You should clean every day or every circle of use. You clean the filter. Really easy. You have to remove the filter out of the device, and then you can use a little bit hard pressure air to blow the dust out of it. But do this not indoor, do that outdoor. Or another solution for that is, but this you have to not to perform every time. Then you can clean the pre-filter and the mesh filter. To remove the mesh filter, you have to open the bottom side. It's the same to empty the dustbin. And then turn counterclockwise to remove the filters. And then do not turn the pinions upside down when removing or install the filters to prevent dust from entering into the engine. Then its next step is, but you only have to perform this once a year for the HEPA filter, and I think once a month with the standard filter to get a better solution in cleaning. Clean the pre-filter and the mesh filter under cold running water, but it's really important, air dry completely before reinstalling. Then, after cleaning, insert the pre-filter into the mesh filter properly and it clicks into place. Insert the clean filter back into the main body, then close the dustbin flap. Job's done. And if you perform this with a HEPA filter once a year, then press the HEPA filter release button and gently remove the cleaning filter. Do not use your pinions without first installing the HEPA filter, okay? Then, of course, you can clean the HEPA filter under running water too, of course. But you can replace it, of course, too. The HEPA filter can be washed under running water and must be completely dry before reinstalling. Really easy. And if you perform this, then you can place the main body on the dock again. And of course, if you can see that the battery is empty, you have to reload it. You have an LED indicator on the battery side. A full charge takes approximately 3 up to 4 hours. And the solid blue light means it is in use. Blinking red light, out of power or the battery is overheated. Blinking pink light, the filter or the suction mouth is blocked. These are information LEDs. And during charging, blinking blue light, it means charging. But blinking red light, fault, check, troubleshooting. And fully charged in 3 minutes, solid blue light. And after 3 minutes, the light is off. Then you can see, okay, your battery is full charged. When in regular mode, the runtime is approximately 25 minutes. When you are using maximum power, the runtime is approximately only 10 minutes. So take care of the maximum mode. Estimate runtime data was really under Tineco thing. That means maybe if you are suction really much dirt into it, you cannot go over 25 minutes. Maybe it's 20 minutes. But 20 minutes is enough to clean so many rooms at home. If you have some trouble with the brush roller, use a coin or other tool to unlock the brush roller lock. Then remove the brush from the brush window. Then remove the debris wrapped around the roller with a cleaning tool. And gently clean the transparent brush window. After cleaning, reinstall the brush, job's done. You have the A10 series vacuum cleaner here with 21.6 voltage. Your rated power 300 watt. Dustbin capacity is 0.4 liters. The charging time is up to 4 hours. The AC input is 100 up to 240 wattage. Oh yeah, that's really easy to use. And it's so convenient. You will see, Tineco makes really good cordless cleaning devices out there for a good price. And we like to work with them every day. This is my second Tineco at my home. So, this is the Tineco Cordless Vacuum Cleaner A10 series. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.